Anguilla is renowned for having some of the most stunning beaches in the Caribbean. The island boasts over 30 pristine white sand beaches with crystal clear turquoise waters that create a picture-perfect paradise for visitors. What makes Anguilla's beaches special is their powdery, soft sand, which feels like walking on flour. The beaches are rarely crowded, offering a sense of exclusivity and tranquility. The waters of Shoal Bay are a mesmerizing gradient of blues, from clear turquoise near the shore to deeper azure and cobalt blue further out. The beach never feels crowded, even during peak season, December to April. There's always ample space to spread out, and the atmosphere remains peaceful and relaxed. Shoal Bay faces north, providing stunning sunrise views over the ocean. On clear days, you can see the eyelash St. Martin and St. Barthélemy in the distance. The sunsets, while not directly over the water from this beach, paint the sky and clouds in magnificent pinks and oranges. The natural limestone arch at Little Bay is one of Anguilla's most distinctive natural landmarks. This dramatic rock formation stands majestically over the turquoise waters, creating a perfect frame for sunset shots. The arch has been carved by centuries of wave action and weathering, and its precarious yet enduring presence makes it a compelling subject for photography and video. Meads Bay and Rendezvous Bay are other spectacular options, featuring expansive shorelines and gentle waves. Nestled on Anguilla's western coast, Meads Bay stands as one of the island's premier beach destinations. This mile-long stretch of pristine shoreline captivates visitors with its perfect balance of natural beauty and refined amenities. The sand here is remarkably soft and brilliantly white, creating a stunning contrast against the multi-layered blues of the Caribbean Sea. Meads Bay's waters shift from crystal clear at the shore to deep turquoise and eventually sapphire blue as you gaze toward the horizon. On clear days, the water visibility is exceptional, allowing you to see straight to the sandy bottom. Curving along Anguilla's southern coast, Rendezvous Bay offers an entirely different but equally mesmerizing experience. This sweeping 2-mile crescent of powdery white sand faces directly toward the neighboring island of Saint Martin, creating a postcard-perfect backdrop across the shimmering water. The waters here are extraordinarily calm and shallow, protected from strong currents and waves by the bay's natural geography. This makes Rendezvous ideal for families, leisurely swimming, and long walks along the shore. The gentle slope means you can wade out surprisingly far while still touching the sandy bottom. Love what you've seen? Don't miss our future adventures in paradise! Hit that subscribe button now to join our journey and be the first to discover hidden gems across the world. Until the next time!